Step into a world where construction transcends mere functionality and transforms into an art form. In most ingenious construction workers that are at another level, witness the extraordinary talents of craftsmen who redefine the boundaries of creativity in the building industry. From visionary masons crafting intricate stone masterpieces to tech-savvy builders embracing cutting-edge innovations like 3D printing and robotics, this captivating journey unveils the brilliance of construction workers who elevate their profession to unparalleled heights. Join us as we explore the realm where construction becomes a symphony of skill, imagination, and resourcefulness, showcasing the true genius of those at the forefront of the construction revolution. Each brick or stone that is laid is a fragment of a bigger masterpiece, not merely a portion of a building. Their long-lasting works are evidence of their exceptional craftsmanship. Creating complex patterns in masonry is one of their amazing talents. This mason can create beautiful designs out of cold, hard stones, whether it's exquisite pathways or a breathtaking facade. Each stone in their work is meticulously chosen for its shape, texture, and color. It's not just about the outside. Their work is a blend of engineering and the arts. This mason can turn interior rooms into breathtakingly beautiful ones. Their proficiency in constructing arches, stone walls, and fireplaces is unparalleled. These elements become the center of attention in any space in addition to being functional. Their work frequently contains intricate patterns that call for both creative vision and technical competence. Their hours of precisely chiseling, arranging, and sealing each stone demonstrate their passion for their profession. Imaginative carpentry. Get ready to be in awe of inventive craftsmanship that breaks through traditional limits. This craftsman created a table that includes an integrated LED sensor. It's the pinnacle of artistry, not just woodworking. A clever artisan shows himself to be a true master of imaginative woodworking. The artisan has a remarkable capacity to turn even the most commonplace wood pieces into magnificent works of art. Their exquisite attention to detail and profound understanding of the beauty of the natural wood grains are evident in their work. They bring out the natural elegance of the wood with each cut and carving, making complex forms and patterns that captivate the senses. The skill of creating elaborate wooden floor designs is one of their hallmark creations. The floor is elevated from a practical component to a work of visual art thanks to these gorgeous decorations. Every wood piece has been carefully selected based on its color and texture, guaranteeing a visual delight symphony. This woodworking wizard's skill set includes creating wooden furniture that not only looks great, but also makes a statement in any space. Their ability to combine artistry and functionality is simply amazing. And observe how he puts it together, demonstrating a deep grasp of both mechanics and aesthetics. It truly is a masterpiece. Do you currently think the video is valuable? If so, please think about clicking the like and subscribe buttons, since this encourages us to continue providing you with incredible content. Stay glued to the screen, else you won't see what happens next. Environmentally friendly inventions. Let's now examine environmentally friendly innovations in the building sector. It's important to complete the task sustainably in addition to completing it. For instance, this house was built to support only 3,000 lb. These professionals take on the task of insulating a home with as little negative influence on the environment as possible. It's the ideal mix of environmental consciousness and skill. A beacon of innovation and sustainability stands out in the enormous field of construction. An inventive worker who champions eco-friendly construction procedures. This forward-thinking craftsman has a strong dedication to environmental responsibility and has used creative methods to lower the carbon impact of building projects. Utilizing state-of-the-art, environmentally safe insulating materials is the foundation of their work. They demonstrate a commitment to not only building energy-efficient facilities, but also protecting the environment for future generations by choosing recyclable and sustainable materials. More affordable, eco-friendly, adaptable, and lightweight building materials that are also visually beautiful. Their efforts in insulation provide witness to their green building ethos. These clever professionals are at the forefront of converting building sites into self-sufficient, environmentally friendly centers by implementing solar-powered construction equipment. Their creative strategy contributes significantly to a more sustainable future by lowering emissions while also saving energy and resources. Clever use of the equipment. There are real visionaries in the construction industry who are experts at using equipment in creative ways. This extraordinary worker has a natural grasp of machinery and tools, turning even the most commonplace gadgets into accurate and effective tools. Craftsmen can fasten wooden flooring with this tool. Their method of building is an example of their flexibility and inventiveness. This resourceful worker proves that it doesn't matter what tools you have, using anything from traditional equipment to cutting-edge technology. It matters how you employ them. One outstanding demonstration of their skill is the use of a straightforward robe to produce flawlessly curved brick lines. This method goes against the grain and demonstrates their capacity for seeing beyond the obvious, transforming a commonplace object into a precision tool. In a sector where specialized equipment is vital, this clever worker demonstrates that real mastery is not determined by the tools available to you, but rather by the inventive and imaginative methods in which you apply them. They serve as a constant source of motivation, serving as a reminder that creativity and resourcefulness are essential for producing outstanding results in the construction industry. Expert use of stone. These builders are the artists of the skillful masonry form. It is quite amazing how precisely stone steps and sheets can be crafted. These stone constructions are genuinely works of art because they take the ordinary and transform it into the spectacular. One clever laborer in particular sticks out as a great master of expert stonework in the field of construction. This craftsman has a special talent for turning common stone into breathtaking pieces of art. This craftsman crafts exquisite stone constructions that captivate observers with each stroke of the chisel and each thoughtfully placed stone. Can observe employing Piction's stone dressing technique. Next, I'll work with the exact opposite attention to detail, which is their hallmark when creating elaborate stone steps, sophisticated pavers, or even monumental sculptures. This stonemason is a meticulous, detail-oriented individual. Every stone is carefully chosen for its shape, color, and texture to ensure that it blends in perfectly with the grand design. Design in a society where building is frequently viewed as utilitarian. This clever artisan turns it into a work of beauty, demonstrating to us how even the most humble materials can be turned into magnificent architectural wonders. Observe the aesthetics. The fascinating world of construction workers, who add an unmatched sense of aesthetics to buildings in addition to building them. These craftspeople elevate every job with a dash of creativity, turning the ordinary into the spectacular. These designers go far beyond functionality with their distinctive and eye-catching creations. They give their projects life and personality, whether it's through complex floor patterns or captivating mosaics. Imagine a ceramic tile canvas, where each tile is thoughtfully selected and arranged to create elaborate mosaics that tell a tale, arouse feelings, and elevate the area to a level of exquisite beauty. Adhesive tape can be shaped on various surfaces using hand tools. These artisans are meticulous about every shade, contour, and detail. Not merely a floor or wall is what's left behind. This piece of art is captivating to the eyes and the soul. Each panel, curve, and minute detail has been carefully carved, painted, and put together to create a living masterpiece over your head. Adjusting to cutting-edge technology. The intriguing field of construction professionals who are tech-savvy visionaries as well as builders. They have embraced cutting-edge technology, which is expanding the realm of what is practical in the building sector. They adjust to new instruments and methods, expanding the realm of construction's potential. They are at the forefront of innovation in their profession, from robotic building to 3D printing. They are building structures that were previously believed to be the stuff of science fiction with accuracy and efficiency. Observe as a structure gradually takes shape before your eyes, layer by layer. But 3D printing isn't the only innovation transforming the landscape. In the construction industry, automation is becoming essential. The newest robotic construction equipment is being used by these laborers, turning difficult things into a game. Even these enormous sheets of drive are manageable for the robot. There's always space for fresh solutions in the dynamic field of construction. To create a thorough digital depiction of the construction project, these specialists are developing building information models or BIMs, epoxy artistry. We wouldn't have explored the world of epoxy artistry on our tour through the clever construction worker community without doing so. These amazing artists have used epoxy to produce extraordinary works of art and home decor that go beyond the norm. These gifted artisans use epoxy to create beautiful artwork and home accents, changing areas to become artistic creations. With the appropriate abilities and imagination, they prove it. Epoxy is an effective artistic medium. Observe in wonder as they turn blank canvases into captivating pieces of art that can adorn your homes. It combines artistic vision with meticulous attention to detail and a thorough grasp of epoxy's possibilities. These artisans imbue their masterpieces with vitality and complexity via every fiber. As we draw to a close on this enthralling journey, their work demonstrates the potency of resin as a creative medium, and their inventiveness knows no limits. One thing is very obvious when one looks at the world of creative construction workers. These extraordinary people, among them the epoxy craftsmen, are real experts in their fields. One thing is very evident as we get to the end of this amazing tour into the world of creative construction workers. These extraordinary people have taken their profession to a whole new level. They have demonstrated to us that construction is more than simply constructing. It's also about inventing and pushing the envelope in a variety of fields, including painting, woodworking, roofing, masonry, creative equipment use, and resourceful teamwork. As we conclude this mesmerizing exploration into the world of creative construction workers, one undeniable truth emerges. These extraordinary individuals have elevated their craft to new heights, turning construction into an art of innovation and imagination. From intricate masonry to cutting-edge technology, they've proven that building is not just about erecting structures, but also about pushing boundaries in various fields.